In the previous video, we were completing the squares in order to find these integrals. The last example was the integral, undefined integral of 1 divided by the square root of negative square x plus 10x plus 11 dx. So first let's remember our integrals for arctangent and arcsine. So we have y equals to arctangent of x. So dy dx will be, well, actually let me put arctangent u. dy dx, when u is a function of x, will be 1 over 1 plus u squared times the derivative of u with respect to x. And the same for y equals arcsine, arcsine of u, dy du will be 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus square u times derivative of u with respect to x. So when we are completing this square, we want to find or to see the appearance of one of these in these integrals. Alright, so let's continue. So here we have the integral of 1 divided by, let me factorize the negative sign, so it would be square root of minus square x plus minus 10x, just like this, plus 11. Now here I want to have a half of 10 is 5, I want to have a 25, so this would be 1 over square root of negative square x minus 10x plus 25 plus 11, and here actually I'm subtracting a 25, so here is plus 25 dx. So this is integral of 1 divided by square root of negative x minus 5 all square plus 36 dx. Now let me divide everything by a square root of 36. So here would be divided by square root of 36, and all this divided by square root of 36. So this I can put it as the 36 inside all this square root, so this would be like this. Now let me take out this of the integral. This passes like 1 over 6 times the square root, and the undefined integral of 1 divided by this would be just 1, so the square root of 1 minus x minus 5, let me put it divided by 6, all this square dx. So now it has the appearance of sine of x minus 5 divided by 6. So what is the derivative of this arcsine of x minus 5 divided by 6? This would be 1 over a square root of 1 minus a square of this thing, that is x minus 5 divided by 6, this square, times the derivative of what is inside, so would be just 1 over 6. So here times 1 over 6, or here I put 1 over 6. Now here I also have 1 over 6 times this, so let me put this inside the integral, so like this. And now this is exactly the derivative of arcsine x minus 5. So here the integral of this would be, let me erase this, here the integral is arc sine of x minus 5. Arc sine of x minus 5 divided by 6. That's it. Alright, the next one is the undefined integral of 1 over square x minus 6x plus 13 dx. First, try to do it by yourself. Alright. So, this would be the integral of 1 over, let's complete the square x minus 6x. Half of this is 3, elevated to the second power is plus 9, plus 13 minus 9 dx. So this is the undefined integral of 1 over x minus 3 squared plus 4 dx. Divide everything by 4 and we have 1/4 times the integral of 1 over x minus 3 over 2 all this square plus 1 dx. So what is the integral of the derivative of arctangent of x minus 3 divided by 2? If this is y, then dy dx will be 1 over the square root, 1 over 1 plus x minus 3 over 2, all this square, times the derivative of what is inside, so times 1/2. Alright, so here, let me put it as, 1/2 here, and 1/2 here inside the integral. And so this is the derivative of arctangent x minus 3 over 2. So the integral of this is 1/2 of the arctangent of x minus 3 divided by 2. Next one, the undefined integral of 1 over 6 square x plus 36x plus 75 dx. So again, let's complete the square. So, and actually because we don't see any root, you can guess that would be in arctangent of something. So first let me factorize the 6. So 6 times square x plus 6x plus 13 dx. So this is 1 over 6 times the integral of 1 divided by, now let's complete the square, x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus 13 dx. So 1/6 times the undefined integral of 1 over x plus 3 all square plus 4 dx. Divide everything by 4 and we have 1 over 24 times the undefined integral of 1 over x plus 3 divided by 2 square plus 1 dx. So again, if we set y equals arctangent of x plus 3 divided by 2, y prime or dy in dx would be 1 over 1 plus x plus 3 divided by 2 all this square times the derivative of what is inside, so times 1/2. So here we can separate the 1 over 24 as 1/2 and 1/12. So this will be 1 over 12 times the arctangent of x plus 3 divided by 2. Alright, next one, the undefined integral of 1 divided by the square root of negative square x plus 4x plus 21 dx. So now, let me factorize again the negative sign. So this will be 1 over square root of negative square x minus 4x, just like that. Actually, let me already complete the square. So plus 4 plus 21, and here I am subtracting 4, so plus 4 dx. This will be integral of 1 over square root of 25 minus x minus 2 all square dx. This is the undefined integral of, let me divide everything by square root of 25, so here is 1/5 of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x minus 2 over 5, all this square dx. So this will be, we can already do it in our head. If we have arc sine of x minus 2 divided by 5, the derivative will be 1 over square root of 1 minus x minus 2 all over 5 squared times derivative of what is inside, so times 1/5. So let me put this 1/5 inside the integral, and now we see that this is exactly arctangent, this is the derivative. What is inside the integral is the derivative of arctangent of x minus 2 divided by 5. So this is arctangent of x minus 5 divided, of x minus 2 divided by 5. Oh, and plus c, I forgot to put the plus c in all the integrations, sorry. Alright, next one. 1 over square x minus 14x plus 58. Integration of 1 over square x minus 14x plus 49 plus 58 minus 49 dx. It will be the integration of 1 over x minus 7, all this square, and 58 minus 49 is just 9, plus 9 dx. Divide everything by 9, and we have 1 over 9 times square times the integral of 1 over x minus 7 over 3, all this square, plus 1 dx. So what if we have y equals arctangent of x minus 7 divided by 3? The derivative will be 1 over 1 plus x minus 7 divided by 3, all this square, times the derivative of what is inside, that is 1/3. So here we can put it as 1/3 times, the integral of 1/3 times 1 over x minus 7 divided by 3, all this square, plus 1 dx. And so this would be 1/3 of the arctangent of x minus 7 divided by 3 plus c. So this is becoming easier. Now, integral of 1 over 4 square x plus 40x plus 48x plus 148. So 1 over 4 times square x plus 12x plus 37 plus 30, plus 37 dx. So this would be 1/4 times the integral of 1 over square x plus 12x plus 36 plus 37 minus 36 dx. 1/4 of the undefined integral of x plus 6 square plus 1 dx. Oh, here we don't need to divide anything. So this would be, if we have arctangent of x plus c, of x plus 6, the derivative would be 1 over 1 plus x plus 6 squared times 1/6. And here we have 1/4. So let me convert this as 1/2 times the integral of 1/2 times 1 over x plus 6 squared plus 1 dx. But here I don't want a 1/2, I want a 1 over 6. So if I put here 1 over 6, I need to multiply here by 3. So this would be this would be 3 halves. 3 halves of arc tangent of x plus 6 plus c. So right now let's do the other one. Undefined integral of 1 over the square root of negative square x plus 12x minus 32. This will be the integral of 1 over minus square x minus 12x plus 36 minus 32. Here I subtract 36, so I add 36 dx. So this is 1 over square root of 4 minus x minus 6 squared dx. I divide everything by square root of 4, so 1/2 times the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x minus 6 divided by 2, all this squared dx. If I have y equals to arc sine of x minus 6 divided by 2, divided by 2, the derivative will be 1 over square root of 1 minus x minus 6 divided by 2 all this square times the derivative of what is inside, so times 1/2. So this is just arc sine, this is arc sine of x minus 6 divided by 2 plus c. Next, 1 over square x plus 8x plus 52. This is the integral of 1 over square x plus 8x plus 16 plus 52 minus 16 dx. This is the integral of 1 over x plus 4 squared plus 36 dx. This let me divide everything by 36. So I have 1 over 36 times the integral of 1 over x plus 4 divided by 6 squared plus 1 dx. If I have just arctangent of x plus 4 over 6, the derivative will be 1 over 1 plus x plus 4 divided by 6 all squared times 1 over 6. But here I have 1 over 36. So this would be 1/6 of arc tangent of x plus 4 divided by 6 plus c. Next one. This is the integral of 1 over 3x squared plus 6x plus 78. So the integral of 1 over 3 times square x plus 2x plus 226 dx. So this is 1/3 of the integral of 1 over square x plus 2x and plus 2 plus 26 minus plus 1 minus 1 dx. So 1/3 of the integral of 1 over x plus 1 square plus 25 dx. Divide everything by 25, So here we have 1 over 75 times the integral of 1 over x plus 1 squared plus 1, so here x plus 1 divided by 5 all this squared plus 1 dx. So this, you already can see that would be 1 over 15 times the arc tangent of x plus 1 divided by 5 plus c. Next, 1 over square root of negative square x plus 6x plus 40. So the integral of 1 over square root of negative square x minus 6x plus 9 plus 40 plus 9. This would be the integral of 1 over square root of negative x minus 3 squared plus 49 dx. So this is divide everything by a square root of 49, so 1 over 7 times the square root of 1 over square root of 1 minus x minus 3 divided by 7 all this square dx. So this is just arc sine of x minus 3 divided by 7 plus c. Next, 1 over square x plus 10x plus 41. So this is integral of 1 over x square x plus 10x plus 25 plus 41 minus 25 dx. Integral of 1 over x plus 5 all square. 41 minus 25 is 16 plus 16 dx. So this is divide everything by 16. 1/16 times the integral of 1 over x plus 5 divided by 4 all this square plus 1 times dx. So this would be 1/4 times the arc tangent of x plus 5 divided by 4 plus c.